Project number 1 for pushing KIDD a little closer back to August 1945. Okay, so I'm standing in the mess deck ladder well right now for the enlisted mess, and this is one of the spots on KIDD that we're going to be changing up. This dumbwaiter right behind me was added in 1953 at the close of the Korean War. It's not World War II authentic, so we're going to rip this dumbwaiter out on the level above us where Molly, our camera person, is, and right here behind me on this level, and one more level below where it terminates in the food service line. We're doing all this to put the Stewards mates berthing back in place to tell their story. Come on down. All right, so we're on the first platform. The main deck is directly above us. You can see here, this ladder is set off to the side from where the other ladder is. We're actually going to move it, and you can see the weld marks from where they sealed up the old World War II passage going down through there and move the ladder over here. We're going to reopen this, shift this over here, seal up this hole, and then this ladder coming down from the main deck will move forward and be where the dumbwaiter now is. So it'll go back to a forward-aft stacked ladder that way. One coming down from the main deck here, you turn around, you go behind that ladder and go down into that hole there to go to the enlisted mess. Once all that's done, this comes out, this equipment, this door and this passage, this divider wall disappears because none of it was here in World War II. All of this fire control equipment goes away, and you can see already the shipyard has been dismounting some of that stuff. In fact, one of them is on the deck there behind Molly. That's there behind us. And you can see where some of it, Molly's trading the camera, so the camera quality goes down now that I've got it in my hands. And everything on the bulkhead right here has already been dismounted. So the shipyard is already making good progress. Giving it back to Molly, the quality of the video immediately increases. And this is going to be wide open, one solid wide room, which you can't see on Cass and Young and you can't see on the Sullivans. And I'm not dissing our sister ships, but they got modified just like we did. They just didn't get a dumbwaiter for some reason. They got the same fire control room that we did. So you'll be able to see on KIDD the room where the African-American crew, the 12 stewards mates, lived that took care of the officers' wardroom, took care of officers' country, and they lived in here segregated away from the rest of the crew. We're going to tell their story. Second platform, lowest level that the crew spaces where the crew lived. Below us is other tanks, or else as you move forward, ammo magazines. This is where the food service line is for the enlisted mess, and immediately behind Molly, thank you Molly, is the famous or infamous ice cream machine that used to get KIDD in trouble. This is the bottom of the dumbwaiter, and it's very possible that this actual metal that I'm touching right here is the original ladder well on either side, because this is the location of it on Sullivan's and on Cass and Young. It just didn't have a face, and it didn't have the backside being straight. It had a diagonal where this ladder is. So this ladder actually will fit perfectly right into here. They probably just sealed up front and back and put the door in. For those of you who have toured KIDD and never seen the dumbwaiter, this is the dumbwaiter. It's simply a pulley system with a box. It's open on this side and it's open on this side because the door on the top, on the main deck, is over here. So you open it, you feed it from this side and you empty it from this side, and vice versa going up. Simple pulley system, rope system, you pull it up simply by muscle power. And I've done it a couple of times in the past, and I've hit my head and banged my elbows quite a bit, and it's not a pleasant experience. So this goes away, ladder gets put into here, this all gets sealed up above me, and then we put in, we've got the doorway there already, we don't have to do anything on that side. We seal it across with a divider wall here, and we're back to World War II configuration. We are in the starboard side passageway, right in front of the diesel generator room, just to the left of scullery on centerline. Mess deck is immediately behind Miss Molly. And we are getting rid of these post-war, 1950s era, Korean War era amplifiers for our sonar. They do not fit the World War II vintage that we aim for. And so they are out. We already have 2 dismounted by the shipyard. They pulled these huge things right up these 2 ladders back here and got them out all intact. We're getting rid of these. We're getting rid of all the support, power supplies and everything and controls. And a 14-man mess table will go right back in place here. And that's important because it's very likely that this was the mess table for the steward's mates. It's entirely circumstantial. No plans or photographs or anything exist of it, but the fact that it's a 14-man table versus the 10-man tables that are in the mess deck behind us, none of the steward's mates would have been allowed to eat at the same table as the white crew. So having a 14-man table means all 12 steward's mates could eat here all at once. So we're going to put that little detail back. And then 2 hammocks would be strung up above the table for somebody to sleep in. Thanks for joining us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from the shipyard. And don't forget to donate.